morning, student. This is Ankesh Kumar Tiwari, and we will today discuss about a past tense and future tenses. So let's we introduce about simple past tense. Okay, simple past tense. Okay. So student, this is a very simple tense, simple past tense, or we can say this present indefinite tense. Okay. So structure: subject plus verb second form plus object. Affirmative tenses. Affirmative tense में only this tense only we use present past verb second form. After that, negative: subject plus did not plus verb first form plus object. Okay. Interrogative: did, only we use did plus subject verb first form plus object question mark. Okay student, look at this carefully. Okay, so let's have example as like as they went to market. Okay students, so this is affirmative sentence. In negative sentence, they did not go to market. Especially remember this, verb second form only use verb second form only when we use a affirmative sentence. After that, in negative sentences we use did, then we can change the verb first second form into verb first form. And also verb second form only use affirmative tenses. Okay, affirmative sentences. Interrogative: subject did they go to market? This is question mark. Okay students, so I hope you understand this simple past tense or present past indefinite tenses. So let's solve other example. We celebrated Diwali. Okay, so negative: we did not celebrated Diwali. Interrogative: did we celebrated Diwali? Okay students, look at this question mark. So you can also change the interrogative negative, no problems. So look at this is a very easily, and you can also change very well. Third questions, affirmative. First example: he climbed on the tree. Affirmative. Negative: he did not climb climb on the tree. Interrogative, did he climb on the tree? Okay, so this is very important for you, and you can also make a more example on self. After that our second tenses, present, sorry, simple, past continuous tense, no problem. Past continuous tense. Sorry, next first part in the present is spelling mistake, no problem. Look at this. Formula: affirmative, subject plus was, were plus verb ing plus object. Negative: subject, was, were plus not, verb ing first form plus object. Interrogative: was, were plus subject plus verb ing plus object and question mark. Listen student, some first I told you where I will told you where is the use was and where use were. So look at this. Was we use I, he, she, it or any name and singular number. And were we, they, you and plural. Look at this. I represented us, means हम अपने आप को रिप्रेजेंट करने के लिए क्या है, was का यूज करते हैं इसमें. अदर यूजेस नो प्रॉब्लम. सो लुक एट दिस. दिस इज we use was, I, he, she, it, any name and singular person, singular number. And we were, they were, you were and plurals for many. So look at this. We have to solve some example. First, the farmer was cutting the crops. Right? Negative, the farmer was not cutting the crops. Interrogative, was the farmer cutting the crops? Okay, here is a question word. Second example, affirmative, the girls were was making the garland. Interrogative, negative, the girls were not making the garlands. Interrogative, were the girls making the garlands? Question mark. Okay, students. So this is a very important for you. So next, next we will discuss about a present perfect, past perfect tenses. Past perfect tenses. This is a very easily, and only perfect tenses we use verb third form. So affirmative sentences, subject plus had plus verb third form plus object. Very easy. Negative, subject had plus not plus verb third form plus object. Interrogative, had plus subject plus verb third form plus object, question mark. Okay, students. So look at some example for you. Only one example I have given you. I give you, and my other example you can also make own self. Okay, first, Raja had delivered the clothes. Right? Negative, Raja had not delivered the clothes. Interrogative, had Raja delivered the clothes? Question word. Okay, students, look at this. This is very easily you can solve this. Subject had verb third form plus object. Negative, subject had plus not verb third form plus object. Interrogative, had subject verb third form plus object. So listen, this is very easily, and also you can make a more example for this, for use of this formula. Formula tense in tenses, formula is the most important, and verb and other you can also make own self. Especially remember that which form use a had, where is used only had this. So you can also all verb form first person, second person, and third person use verb third form had. So next we will discuss about a past perfect continuous. Past perfect continuous tense, that is obviously told about a time. First I will introduce some first person. First person we can say I, me, we, us. Second person you, your. Third person he, she, it, or any name. He converted him, she, her, it, its name. No problem. So remember this first person, second person and third person. That is a very important for you and important for all one. So present perfect continuous tense. Affirm a formula. Subject had plus been plus had been plus verb ing plus since and for plus object. Okay students, negative. Subject had plus been plus verb ing plus since plus for plus object. Negative. Interrogative also you can make oneself. Since or for I will introduce in a first part of second part of tenses. So you can see my YouTube channels. My YouTube channel you can see the where use a since or for fixed timing we use a since and not a fixed time we can use for. Example, Raja, Raj. Only one example for you. After that you can make a own self. Raj had been seeing the Raja had been watching the match for 3 hours. Okay students, one example for and second for since. He had been living in Bandra since 1980. Okay students, so you can also visit my YouTube channel and see this. This is a part third for present tense. Okay, for this is not a I am not a success YouTuber successor, but only for a study purpose for our schools materials for online classes we can make this video for you, and only for your knowledge in this epidemic duration. So you can look at this and solve extra example for you. Thank you, and next time we will coming for a part 4 for a future tenses. Thank you students for watching my channels.